Depot because you guys know we're packing. I don't even know what day I'm on the packing, but just stay with me. Just stay with me, okay? But right, I'm headed to Home Depot. I don't have no more big bags, and we need some boxes and some tape. I feel like this will be the last of the packing supplies, so I can finish my bedroom, the kitchen, and that's it. Oh, and my bathroom. So come meet to Home Depot while I go grab some bags and some boxes, and we're gonna head back home and finish packing. So we are here. I already know what I need, so we don't have to spend unnecessary time because I have to get back home and lash. Whew, it's a day today, but it feels good out here. I can't wait to buy me some new plants and a grill. I'm just excited for this journey. Mind y'all, we got our boxes and our bags. These were like $29.47, not bad at all. So now we're heading to grab some boxes. I don't know why I didn't get a damn cart with my crazy tail self. That wasn't smart at all. Okay, so the boxes are here. I don't know which ones we need, of course. So I think we should do the large. I'm gonna get maybe 10, so I gotta get a cart, y'all. Miss Superwoman thinks she can carry everything. Why did I not get one of these when I first got here? Anywho, okay, so let's just start over. Oh, it's early, you guys. Give me a pass. It's early. I didn't know those contractor bags was that damn heavy. Some tape. Okay. So this is all that I needed from Home Depot to get home and start to finish up. Babe, come home. Come home.